Welcome to Tropical Capitalists, the channel where smart investors, digital entrepreneurs, and freedom seekers come to build wealth, protect assets, and take back control of the future. Hello, I am Noelia, partner at My Second Option, and today we're going deep, not into get-rich-quick fantasies, but into how the truly wealthy protect and grow their assets for generations. Look, there's a big difference between just having money and actually being wealthy. Because money, the kind sitting in your bank account or in paper form, is fragile. It can disappear with one banking freeze, one political decision, or one market crash. We have seen this happen in Argentina, Lebanon, even in parts of Europe. Meanwhile, the wealthiest families in the world, what are they doing? They play a different game, a long game. They've mastered stores of value, assets that preserve wealth across decades, even centuries. So, today, I'll walk you through the 7 true stores of value that the rich use to stay rich and how you can start building and protecting your own legacy, especially by leveraging opportunities here in Panama, Paraguay, and El Salvador. And by the way, this is exactly what we help our clients do. From smart real estate plays to international structures to tax optimization and crypto diversification, we help you grow, protect, and relocate your wealth strategically. So let's begin. Let's start with the most timeless asset, real estate. Not just any property, of course. The wealthy don't settle for suburban rentals and quick flips. They acquire income-producing properties in strategic, undervalued, and politically neutral regions. Think Bill Gates quietly becoming the largest farmland owner in the US, or Latin America's old families holding oceanfront land for decades. Why? Because real estate gives you tangible security. You can touch it, live in it, improve it. Income from rent, appreciation, agriculture, or tourism. Scarcity? They can print more dollars, but not more beachfront land. Here in Panama, we help clients acquire beachfront lots for $50,000 and up, income-generating apartments in high-end expat zones, Airbnb-ready units with 0% tax on foreign income. And if you want something even more low-key, well, Paraguay offers fertile farmland and gated communities at unbeatable prices. Real estate is the foundation, but it's just the beginning. The second store of value. Stocks, but not the meme stocks or speculative trends. We're talking about blue chip companies, ones that pay dividends, ones that survive inflation, war, and chaos. Warren Buffett doesn't gamble. He holds Coca-Cola, Apple, and American Express. Because when you buy great companies, your money works while you're sleeping. We help clients globally allocate capital into such markets or use Panamanian holding companies to hold and protect these shares more tax efficiently. It's not about getting rich fast, it's about staying wealthy quietly. The third store of value is the most underrated. Education. Your property can burn, your crypto wallet can get hacked. But what you know, that can't be taken away. Here's the truth. Most schools don't teach real wealth skills. They teach obedience, not asset protection. That's why we work closely with entrepreneurs and families, not just to set up structures, but to teach them how these systems work, how to build generational wealth, how to live tax-free legally, how to think globally and act strategically. Because the only investment that lasts forever is in yourself. The 4th store of value, gold and silver. Yeah, they've just survived every collapse from Roman Empire to the 2008 crash. Central banks around the world stockpile gold quietly while the public holds paper. Why? Because when fiat currencies collapse, well, gold remains. In Panama, Paraguay, and El Salvador, we help our clients convert parts of their portfolio into precious metals and store them securely outside the fragile Western banking system. It's not flashy, but it is parachute government bonds. The fifth, bonds. Yes, they're boring, but in a world of volatility, boring is safe. When war breaks out or economies shake, smart investors park cash in Swiss, US, or Panamanian sovereign bonds. You're not aiming for returns, you're aiming for protection. In our wealth strategies, we often include these instruments to balance high growth with high security, especially for clients nearing retirement or wanting generational stability. The sixth store of value, fine arts and collectibles. Think vintage, Rolexes, Picassos, classic cars, rare wines. They're scarce, they're timeless, and they're portable wealth. Why would someone pay $10 million for a painting? Well, because there's only one, and the rich are always competing for bragging rights and diversification. Even here in Panama, art and collectible investments are growing. We assist our clients in evaluating such alternative assets, especially those that aren't tracked or taxed the way digital assets or stocks are. It's culture, but it's also capital. And the seventh store of value is cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is digital gold, but with superpowers. It's limited, it's borderless, it's seizure resistant. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. Ever, and governments can't touch that supply. We're seeing countries, hedge funds, and billionaires quietly move capital into Bitcoin as a hedge against fiat collapse. But here's the key: how you hold crypto matters. That's why we help clients cash out Bitcoin legally at zero tax, use crypto to buy real estate in El Salvador or Panama, securely store crypto offshore, and integrate it into legal asset protection structures. Crypto is volatile, yes, but its potential for sovereignty and wealth preservation is unmatched. So there you have it, the 7 assets the truly wealthy use to preserve wealth forever. And this is exactly what we help our clients do. If you're ready to diversify your portfolio internationally, buy real estate and farmland in the safest places in Latin America, protect your crypto, grow your assets, and build generational wealth, well, then book a free call with us today. Our WhatsApp is in the description, and we'll help you create your custom asset strategy in Panama, Paraguay, or El Salvador. This isn't just about making money, it's about staying free, staying wealthy, and staying ahead of the system. So, subscribe to Tropical Capitalist if you're ready to take action. See you on the next video.
At My Second Option, we're constantly looking for the best investment and the right fit for you. We are out here walking the land, going to the properties, meeting with developers, checking permits, and building the connections that matter. We operate in Panama, Paraguay, and El Salvador, 3 countries full of opportunity, each with their own rhythm and potential. In Paraguay, we focus on sovereign living, low-cost land, legal residency, and long-term value for those who want peace and security outside the noise. In El Salvador, we guide you through the frontier of freedom, from ocean viewscapes to off-grid living in a country embracing innovation, Bitcoin, and new beginnings. And here in Panama, we bring you options, from tropical villas to city apartments to turnkey Airbnb setups in a country with strong infrastructure, 0% tax on foreign income, embracing cryptocurrency, technology, global access, and an international way of living. We handle everything: second citizenship, relocations, real estate, construction, remodelations, development, legal and accounting advice, property management, and more. We help you establish your business through our network with the best in-house team of lawyers and accountants. We're hands-on, transparent, and always tailored to your goals. Whether you're relocating, investing, or just building a plan B, we help you do it right and do it smart. We are always seeking for the right investment for you. So don't hesitate to contact us. Our WhatsApp link is in the description. Or scan the QR code at the end of the video to connect with us directly. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you on the next one.